Massage it for like how you massage your woman. Welcome. More life and happiness to you. Every day is a good day because you have life, you have health, you have strength. But Saturday is the day when me have like full control. Me get up and me can plan the whole day out. Today we're gonna do some jerk chicken. Of course, we're gonna work out and them type of things. I woke up this morning, bro, with my heart feeling heavy. Like just looking at that plane crash in DC. Every day you wake up, you have to have full gratitude. Your life, your health, your strength, the knowledge, the understanding each day you get through. You get what I'm saying? Because you don't know when it's gonna be your last. You never know when it's gonna be your last, and just pray for all the life lost. Pray for all their families, not knowing that their little girl, their son, their husband, their wife's gonna return home tonight. National Breadfruit Day. As I said, the fire is alive. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna split the top like this, put an X. Because when it roasts, you're gonna see the steam come out so inside can cook. Yeah, right now the fire is fully bad. Fully bad. Fully bad. Yeah man, so make a brush go and roast and them thing there, you know? We'll deal with some jerk chicken also. We're gonna make some jerk chicken. National Jerk Chicken and brush day. And breadfruit day. Yeah, turn the brush. As I said before, today is National Brush Day, so the brush is so done. So we are deal with the chicken right now. Me already kind of clean up the chicken already, so we're just gonna vinegar it and stuff like that. With this whole gym thing, I'm eating a lot of protein. I think my go-to meat protein right now is beef and chicken. I eat a lot of fish also, but for the past month I haven't been eating fish. Yeah, the brush is almost done, you know. Yeah, you remember, you see the steam? See the steam will come out of the eggs. Yeah, man. Right now we're about to season up the chicken and we'll make some jerk sauce at the same time. I'm just grabbing the last ingredient, some scallion. We're gonna replant these and we have more scallion. Alright, so right now we're gonna make some jerk sauce. First ingredient, now the jerk sauce. Boom, boom. Scallion. Number one ingredient. We have some chicken season, we have some jerk season, and we have some black pepper. Boom. Make sure you put some soy protein sauce in it. Yeah, man. You need that. Alright. Okay. Scotch bonnet pepper. It's a hot in the dog. Scotch bonnet pepper live. Now me add some ginger. See with the ginger. Not only that, we're gonna add some citrus to it. Some orange. Some water. And after we add the water, we'll add some sodium on the top, some salt. Just imagine if yesterday or 2 days ago, if when I come home, I did do this and just make it marinate inside the fridge. Oh God Almighty. Yeah, I tell you, it's gonna be amazing. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at this. So this is your jerk sauce right here. So this is what we're doing to it. This right here. Now we can put this in the fridge in our container. Add some vinegar to it and you preserve it. And boom, this is your jerk sauce. Yeah, man. I hit right there, so get it in there. Get it in there. Cause the grill, the coal, everything hot and ready right now. Massage it for like how you massage your woman. Get it in there. Want the oil in there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So right now the fire hot. Feel ready? The fire hot. Oh God. Ooh. This is the drumstick line. Drumstick line. Yeah. Yeah. We want the fowl to be juicy. Yeah, man, we have a check on the chicken, you know. Woo! That's all go on. Yeah, man, that's all go on. Yeah, man, that steam up the right way, you see me? You see the juice I drop out of it? Ha! Woo! Juice is same way, you know. We want the outside to be crispy. Want the inside to be juicy. Yeah, man. As much as you see this, that's funny there. Yeah, man, juicy. Juicy. We finish with the chicken and thing. So we're just ready. We finish with the jerk chicken and the breadfruit. So after workout, we're just gonna make some salad and you know breadfruit and thing like that. Yeah, good for the day. Yeah, man, we're gonna eat good for the day. Babe, come here, take one. Taste it. How it tastes. Mm, 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 mm.
It's so good.
Hmm?
So good.
I told myself I'm gonna start doing more cardio. So I'm gonna be bulking and shredding at the same time. The goal today is to burn 400 calories. And that's what we're gonna do. So one of these resistant band is one is 50 pounds and one is 55 pounds. I already have the incline on level 10. Right now it's 1220 and we need 400 calories. So let's get it. I'm trying to develop more of an enhanced type of thinking that you get when you're literally putting your body through the most extreme conditions, meaning like you're working out and you're working out extremely hard and you're in pain, and that mode of putting your mind in a mode of overcoming all that pain and telling yourself that it's gonna be worth it, but it's just something you have to push through. Yeah, it's like sometimes I'll be here just working out and like my legs literally wanna give out. And, you know, I'm trying to find that. I find that last drip of strength to push through. Yeah, so it's like the mind to muscle connection, you know. Tiger one, come in. Tiger one, come in.
Coming in, babe. I'm dripping from my mouth. I fell asleep.
Can you change the camera view for me? Come here real quick. So I'm 13 minutes in, 120 calories. I'm gonna need you in the next 10 minutes, okay?
10-4.
Yeah. My wife is my little camera woman sometimes. Whenever I'm in compromising position like this, I don't want to get off the treadmill. That's where she comes in. All right, we're still at the 10 level incline, still climbing the hill. I'll probably take it down when I hit probably 200 calories. I'll probably drop it to 8. All right, let's get it. Every time I'm trying to leave, something keep pulling me back, pulling me back. You know what I'm terrified about? I don't want to lose no weight, yo. I work so hard trying to gain these pounds. I don't want to do so much cardio and then I lose weight. Yeah, I work hard for my pounds. Yeah, burning, but 28 minutes in, 260 calories, 1.1 mile. I think I'm gonna drop down to 8 incline right now. It's burning. Road to glory. It's gonna hurt. You're gonna feel the pain, but it's gonna be worth it. You're gonna build mental toughness, mental strength, the belief, the attitude that you can do anything you put your mind to. Yeah, let's get it. Speed up. Mental strength, composure, mind to muscle, mind to body parts. Because right now my leg, come here. 400 calories. I'm done. 400 calories, 1.8 miles. You know what? I'm gonna put it to 1.9 miles. 1.9 miles, 45 minutes. Yeah. tiger one. Come here.
Okay, coming.
Give me the camera. 417 calories. Yeah. 419 calories. The goal was 400. 47 minutes. 1.9 miles. I'm not gonna lie. I really wanted to put it at 2 miles. Shoot. 2 miles. All right. 2 miles. 2 miles. 2 miles. All right, 2 miles. 2 miles. I got bribe. 2 miles. Put it at 2 miles. My brain is trying to bribe my body. Is this what they call workout high? We're going to 2 miles. 2 miles. Let's get it. 2 miles. We're going to 2 miles. Woo! Yeah. 2 miles. 2 miles. Let's hit that stop. Yeah, to beat out of my chest to bum box like that. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. More life, more happiness. You get me? Bless. Everything nice, man. Bless up.